So why do I despise the actions of our local government? Why Unky Wayne Wentz is wicked? And why Lion Larry Stern fails to honor his oath? Let's take a look. So back in 2013, they did a great job. They took a whole bunch of money from the taxpayers. They didn't use it to pay off debt. They didn't use it to fix the schools. They didn't use it. They had it in a big pile. But at least they protected the staff members, and they put a bunch of the money aside for their pension programs and post-employee benefit programs. Good move. That would have been good. Fixing schools would have been good. $8 million is a lot of money, but they did good, right? They moved it aside, and they need to act with fidelity. Let's remember that when we look forward on this. So then you fast forward. How long do you think that money's going to last in that bucket? So we fast forward. Here they are. They did a great job. June of 2013, committed $8 million to cover pensions and post-employee benefits. Not a bad move, right? Good. Why am I so mad? Well, how long do you think that lasted? Because here they are. Now remember, this is Krause and Zimmerman made this motion, and all these guys voted. Larry was absent from this meeting. Andrew Jensen was absent, but Wayne voted for it. He said, yeah, moving this money for these people, probably a good idea. Then how come in a very short period of time later, May of 2015, Wayne's now motioning to spend the money on a stadium, and Larry Stern seconds it. Now let's take a look at the Auditor General's report. What do they think about this? Here you had this committed non-spendable amount, and all of a sudden, poof, it's gone. Where'd it go? What do you know? Where's the priorities? Where's acting with fidelity? Where's the money going to come from? It's the taxpayers. Why do I find Larry to be a liar when he took an oath of office and then makes an action like this in non-compliance with Pennsylvania, off budget, and just poof. They need to resign. They need to resign. All right. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Have yourself a great day.